The coronavirus pandemic has not only created a health emergency but has forced economies to shut down across the globe. In India, small and medium sized enterprises and startups had already been struggling to stay afloat due to lack of financing. Therefore, after assessing the current scenario, we decided to develop a peer to peer lending web application, a blockchain powered solution facilitating quick, easy, and secure loan transactions. Borrowers can send in a loan request with the total amount that they require and a short description regarding the same. Along with these details, a credit score of the borrower is also attached to the request, which can help the lender in assessing their credibility. We use metrics like weight of evidence and information value that is used by financial analysts, along with the machine learning models like logistic regression, to provide a scorecard for each user. Lenders can browse all loans and submit their terms accordingly. The decisions on submitting proposals are completely on the mercy of the lenders, and we don't have any say on that matter whatsoever. After submitting the proposal, lenders can cancel them and claim their refund till the time a borrower confirms the proposal. After the confirmation from the borrower, the loan amount is transferred to the borrower's wallet and a smart EMI plan is started. The borrower is notified about their total and the per loan EMI that they have to pay so that they can keep a track of their finances. We make loans accessible to organizations or individuals who might not have a perfect loan application for banks. There are two key points that need to be kept in mind. Firstly, there is no need for collateral, making our platform a lucrative option for small-scale businesses and startups. Secondly, there is no paperwork required.